First one, trigger here. This is a very common step to silence your phone from the iPhone. Just toggle it and silent mode. Open it up, off. Second way is go to setting, accessibility, and then click to go to touch, and then search back tab on. And here you got double tap and triple tap. So it depends on you which one you want, double tap or triple tap. You just select. And you got a lot of features here. So currently I use mute, and there's a very local features, volume up. See, there's a lot of things you can do from here. This is a triple tap, and it's same thing goes to double tap. See, all the features are same, just you have to choose double or triple tap. And then this is a triple tap, and then when let's show you how I do it. So you tap it 3 times, 1 2 3, and silent mode is on. To off it, same thing, 1 2 3, and it's off. That's about it for today. Thank you.